All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So granted, assuming something, assuming something. He took the horse for granted. Just assumed that will be the case. Granted that we know what he's doing, we can do it too. I saw it. Granted that it was early, but I know it is there. We were there. Granted that we were not supposed to be there. So something happens, but you assume, not exactly, but you assume something else. He took, we take turning on a tap for water, a tap of water for granted. We just assume it'll be there. He took the horse for granted. Definitely. We might be taking that information for granted. Yeah. How cool is that? All of this useful data is just taken for granted by them. Just taken for granted by them. Yeah. The news is taken for granted by her. How cool is that? Yeah. She is planning on taking it for granted. Yeah. She takes me for granted. Yeah, she just takes and assumes. She just takes and assumes that I will always be there. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use granted in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come, and you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.